Hi, I'm Rick, a master technician at Ken Ganley Kia Boardman. I'm performing an MPI on this vehicle here. And the vehicle came in today for tire replacement, so we perform a virtual MPI. And while performing the MPI, we found that the inside pad is a 3 millimeter, indicating that your front brake pads need replaced. The rotor is in good enough condition to be resurfaced, so we will recommend that to the customer. So next we inspect all your fluids, which your coolant level is full, washer fluid is full, doesn't need any topping off. We perform a battery test. We check all your filters. This one is actually in good condition at this time. And we check your oil level and condition. While performing the MPI, we inspect all your lights, your high beams, your low beams, your side marker bulbs, and your brake lights, and recommend any that might be out. And we check all your tread depths. And these tires were just replaced. A new tire is typically 10 to 11, 30 seconds. That's about it for our visual MPI process. And thank you for doing business with us. And good to see you in the future.